Written by Natalie
Deep in the
Rompella.
ocean.
Deep
Deep
underwater.
underwater.
Imagine a trip
Imagine a
to
trip
the
to
deepest
the
part
deepest
of
part
the ocean.
ocean.
What would you
What would
expect
you
to see?
expect to see?
Would it be
Would it be
dark
dark
or light?
or light?
Would it be
warm
or cold?
or cold?
Would you find strange new animals and plants diving deep in the ocean? The deep ocean is freezing cold. The weight or water pressure of very deep water can harm you. Sport divers wear air tanks for safety. Deep divers wear a special diving suit. Scientists ride in a small submarine called a submersible. Oceanographers. Scientists who study the ocean are called oceanographers. They often live for months on a ship. Some study what a sea animal eats and where it lives. Using satellites for tracking. Satellites can help to track sea animals' travels. Scientists tag some animals. A satellite can track the signal from the tag. The signal shows where the animal goes. Counting the sea animals. What animals live in the ocean? Where do they live? How many are there? Oceanographers studied and counted animals for 10 years to find out. The surprising report is called the Census of Marine Life. The Census of Marine Life. The first surprise was where things lived everywhere. Marine species lived in the hottest and coldest places. Some species lived in deep places without light or oxygen.
Some species
living in hot and cold water.
Some species live in deep places without light or oxygen. Living
the very
in hot and cold water.
Deep ocean zone
the very cold deep ocean
has
zone
hot volcanoes in it. The water temperature at a volcano can be 400 degrees Celsius, 752 degrees Fahrenheit. Some species of shrimp, crabs, worms, and bacteria live in this very hot water. Huge groups of Arctic sea life were also found living in freezing water. Some species of squid, cod, and jellyfish live under huge groups of Arctic sea life. The sense huge groups of Arctic sea life were also found living in freezing water. Some species, huge groups of Arctic sea life were also found living in freezing water. Some species of squid, cod, and jellyfish live under solid ice that is 700 meters, 2,296 feet thick. What did we learn? The marine census. What did we learn? The marine census counted over 230,000 species. Over 6,000 new species had never been seen before. Some creatures were see-through. Some had warning lights that turned on and off. Others had long feelers instead of eyes. What else lives in the deep ocean?